No products, no workout, and no diet are going to save you if you're running on 7 hours of poor quality sleep, especially if you're under 20 because you're still growing. And if you want to grow, whether it's your facial muscles maturing, your height, your skeletal growth, etc., then you need sleep. Sleep isn't just rest. It's the only time your body actually does the 70% of looksmaxxing work that you can't buy. Why is sleep the undisputed king of softmaxxing? HGH spikes. Deep sleep is the only time your growth hormone peaks. That means collagen synthesis and fat metabolism. And most importantly, height growth. Cortisol nuking. High cortisol eats your collagen and stores facial bloat. Sleepmaxxing equals natural bloat control. The testosterone floor. 1 week of 5-hour sleep drops your testosterone by 15%. That kills your jawline sharpness and muscle density. It's a free max test boost you're currently throwing away. Most of you are sleepminning. Doom scrolling red pill forms until 12 a.m. Blue light nuking your retinas. Caffeine at 5 p.m. Sleeping in a warm, bright room. Then you wonder why your workout, skincare, diet, etc. isn't working. If you want to actually sleep better, at least follow the code. The window. Same bedtime, same wake time. Circadian rhythm isn't a suggestion. And make sure you'll get 8 to 9 hours of quality sleep, especially you're below 20. 7 to 8 hours isn't enough. Blackout. Complete darkness. Light on skin equals melatonin suppression. The cold room. Just turn on the fan and open the window. Cooler sleep equals deeper HGH release. Back sleeping. Stop side sleeping and crushing your facial symmetry into a pillow. Caffeine cutoff. No caffeine after 5 p.m. That 5 p.m. coffee is still in your brain at midnight. The morning spike gets sunlight in your eyes within 30 minutes of waking, and it sets the clock for the next night. Expensive skincare is a 5% gain. Mewing is a 30% gain for most adults. Sleepmaxxing is a 70% gain for adults. Most guys will ignore this because it's boring and requires discipline. Just sleep max, bruh.